In this video, I will show with you step by step how to find Wise IBAN. So basically, if you want to find your IBAN, follow me in this video. Go to Google search for Wise IBAN. You have two options here. Go to IBAN calculator. From this section, show friends to find your IBAN. Choose your country here. For example, this one, Estonia. Choose your bank codes and bank account number, and then you can find your IBAN through this option. Or you can use homepage on Wise and go to payments. From the payments, scroll down, click your IBAN from this account details. Just click on IBAN and then you will see your account details from this section. Basically, this is how you can do. From here, follow simple two steps. Calculate IBAN, choose the bank codes, account number. From here, account payments, and then you can get your IBAN successfully without any problem. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more.